update. Welcome to Uttara Home Kitchen. Today I am going to make Matar Daler Dalpuri, which is very easy to prepare as well as tasty. It's little crispy from outside and from inside you can see how the stuffing has spread out all over the puri. Here I have shown the step-by-step recipe. And if you like my recipes, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Also comment down your favorite food. I will try to make as simple as I can. So let's start the preparation. Here I have taken 1 cup of dal which I have soaked for minimum 7 to 8 hours. And then strain the water. After that, keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes so that it will get little dry. By the time, take the other ingredients. Heeng 1/4 teaspoon, salt to taste, 1 inch ginger, green chilli as you required, and 1/4 teaspoon of Bhaja Masala. The recipe link is in my description box. Now make a smooth paste of these ingredients. Keep it aside. Now prepare the dough for puri. For that I took 750 grams maida or all-purpose flour, oil, sugar optional, and salt. Now add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon sugar. This is optional but it brings a good taste. And add 1/4 cup oil. You can add more or less. Now first mix all these ingredients very well. Then prepare a soft dough by adding little by little lukewarm water. You can also use normal water. But if you use lukewarm water, the dough will be very soft. Now the dough is ready. Keep it aside. And it's time to make the stuffing for the puri. So take a grinder jar, add the dal and make a rough paste. And do not add water. And you can see how it is. Now heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add the heeng. Stir it for few seconds and then add the ginger and green chilli paste. Now cook it until the raw flavor goes. It will take 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. And then add the dal. Now you have to mix it very well. After that add salt to taste. Cook it for 8 to 10 minutes on medium or low flame. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of strong flavored Bhaja Masala. It brings a very good taste. And the dal stuffing is ready. Keep it in a bowl and leave it to cool. The dal stuffing should not be very dry or very hard. It should be soft so that you can make a dough like this. Now take the dough and knead for 5 minutes. Now take a plate and make small dough balls for the puri. You can make the dough balls big or small as you want. Now make the dough balls smooth with the help of your palm. Now for the stuffing, take a small dough and make a bowl like this. Now add a good amount of dal stuffing. And then close the edges. And then again smooth it and give it a round shape with the help of your palms. Now follow the same process and make the other dough balls ready. Now take a rolling board and apply some oil on it. Take a dough ball and roll it very gently. And then keep it in a plate. Now follow the same process and fry the other puris. And now the Matar Daal is ready. Now you can see how the stuffing has spread out all over the puris. You can serve it with very light aloo curry like here I have shown. You can also serve with aloo dum. The recipe link is in my description box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.